In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a HP DeskJet 4220e printer. So maybe you're having some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi, or you just want to sell the printer and reset all the details on it. This is how to do it. You want to open up this latch on the front of the printer, and then open up the second latch in behind where the ink cartridges are. Then come over to the printer's control panel, and you need to press the X and the Wi-Fi button at the same time. Hold them in for at least 5 seconds, and that's going to begin to factory reset the printer. So if you've done it correctly, you'll notice the power button start to flash a lot quicker. So keep the cartridges open for around 20 seconds after you've held the buttons in, and then you can go ahead and close them, and the printer will be factory reset. So if you're still having some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi, you can come to the back of the printer and take the power cable out for around 5 minutes and then put it back in, which sometimes can help.